All right, guys, let's all go to the bathroom.
Okay, cut,
What?
cut.
No.
Hey guys, welcome back to Not So Scary Mary TV. We're here with, oh hi.
Very
nice
scary,
work,
nice
pal.
work, pal.
Very scary, nice work, pal.
I was trying to hide out of your...
Yeah.
Guys.
How's that working out for you?
Yeah.
Oh, babe, how you doing?
How you doing?
How you doing?
How you doing?
We're at Disney Springs. We're gonna have some desserts. We're gonna see the Gideon's cookie for June, my birthday month. And we're gonna eat it. And we're gonna taste it. Oh, and we're gonna go to the bathroom. Guys, Betty and I are here with Nice Work Pal, Jim and Don at Pin Traders. Here we are. We're not even pin collectors, but there are some that we do love, right, Ben? What did you find?
I came looking for this one.
You found it! I love it! I'm so glad you got it.
And then all the Tomorrowland vehicles.
I love it. Oh my God. I'm gonna show you guys around. They have so many pins.
But this is what they put. Oh my God, no. I gotta get this one too.
Oh gosh. I don't know. This moon face guy is creeping me out. So Betty got 3 pins.
We got 3 pins.
Well, ours, right? We got 3 pins.
Yes.
I love them. And we're on our way to the DVC Lounge because Jim and Don are graciously inviting us to go get some refreshments. And I'm going to videotape the lounge a little bit so you can see it. I didn't know Disney Springs had a lounge.
All right, Nery got a fan. Let's see if it's working.
Fanny fan. I
Yeah?
love her. She has condensation. It's got like
Wow.
a chill.
Oh.
I knew it's so powerful. Wait, because it's got Jim's hair. Got cut.
That water has never looked so inviting. Looks so clean. All right,
like
babe,
it?
how's the fan?
It's good. And then you can put it on your forehead or on your cheeks because it has like it's a cooling mechanism in the middle, but it doesn't get liquid or coolants in it. So
It's
it's
magic.
like no, we looked it up. Hold on, it's got condensation.
Oh wow, it is cold.
Right? Look.
Oh my God.
Look at Mickey. Look at Mickey. Hey, this is what the cast member gave me.
All right.
Don told her it was my birthday. I told her, well, it's tomorrow.
Well, it'll last till tomorrow.
It's a birthday weekend. Well, Benny says we're celebrating the whole month. Babe, so what did the cast members say? She was so sweet. They say they have a DVC room
Yes, you can do a self-guided tour of a 2-bedroom DVC room.
for the Riviera.
Yeah, I believe so.
Yeah, okay,
I think
let's do
they're all
it.
pretty much the same.
We don't have DVC. Benny and I have talked about it, okay? We have considered it. We're not saying no. Okay. Babe, that's awesome. We gotta get a picture with that. Oh, look at my honey. He's so beautiful.
Well, this is room 2020.
Okay, so we're gonna do a self-guided tour of the Riviera 2-bedroom suite. These are for DVC members. We're not, but we haven't said no, right, babe? We've never said no. We might do DVC.
No, this might help in changing that decision.
There you go. Okay, so we have a restroom. Today they got Oreos. Guys, we're at Gideon's.
How you doing?
How you doing? I'm doing amazing. I'm gonna get a cookie. Yeah. Don't say cookie too loud because Maxie, if he's watching the video, hi baby.
Beautiful.
My doggy's ears perk up when I say cookie. Cookie. Nice work, pal. Hey, who's that?
I don't know.
Hey
What a bird
Don,
that
say
flew
hi
by.
Don.
No.
That's
The Defiant Dawn.
The Defiant Dawn.
The June cookie. I'm sorry that when you're watching this, it's probably not available, but you can always hope for next year. Let's see what it is, what we're having today on these videos.
Bookmark the video. You can watch it for next year.
Yes, well, I don't know. Maybe they'll have something else next year.
Maybe. What do you got? June's limited edition flavor. Cookie butter butterscotch cookie. Cookie butter butterscotch cookie. Cookie butter butterscotch cookie.
It smells so good in here, Don. What does it smell like? Are you okay?
I just walked
She's in a cookie trance. Snap out of it. We gotta buy cookies. Snap out of it.
Harder.
No, baby, don't harder. Snap out of it. She's in a cookie trance. When you come here, you just change.
Smells amazing. Oh, him too.
Oh, look. Oh, he's in a trance. Snap out of it, Jim.
This guy's in a trance.
That's Joe.
Joe? Hang in there, Joe.
Is that? Yeah, that's Joe, right? No.
I love Morning Joe. That's Morning Joe.
Which was Morning Joe? Oh, that one over there.
That's Morning Joe. This candle. Last time they didn't have the candle. We got another one, but I'm picky about the candle scent.
Yeah.
Because I want it to be strong, like my man.
I wonder what they sell here.
I think paintings. Hi, sweetheart. Have a good night. Thank you.
Okay, let's stop here under the umbrella because the sun is in our face.
Oh
here.
yeah, we gotta try a cookie, guys.
And I'm still in pure. Oh, we're gonna try it on camera.
Yeah, we gotta try the cookie.
What'd you get, babe?
We got the cookie of the month, and it's a butterscotch. It's got Biscoff and
That actually looks delicious.
amazing. I'm gonna taste it. Dawn and Jim are gonna taste it, and you're gonna taste it. So let's take a piece, everybody. These are half-pound cookies, if you didn't know.
And
very moist.
What's this over here?
Peanut butter cold brew.
Gotta wash it down.
So good.
All right.
You're gonna like this.
See, she's
So
on
what do
the
you think?
Defiant Dawn now, so that's good.
I like it.
She had it before.
Yeah. This is the perfect cookie for fall, I think.
I want to try a piece.
Of course. Let me see your face.
Let's see.
Okay. I'm gonna do this so you're not. I think you're backlit, but okay.
Backward. Nah, it shouldn't be.
This is such a good cookie.
It smells like fall.
It does. Don't eat it.
It just fell. Don't eat that. I'm gonna go.
Fall.
What do you think?
It
What do you
smells.
think?
It smells like it fell. It's good. I still prefer the peanut butter, but this is really good.
But it's a very good cookie.
All right, let's give it a whirl.
You know, it kind of like reminds me of a tiny bit of a ginger snap, doesn't it?
A little bit.
Yes,
Yeah. Like there maybe there's ginger snaps in it. I don't know. It's got a lot of molasses in it too.
it does. I think that's what it is.
Yeah, I think that's what
It's
it
not
is.
too strong.
Maybe
The
that's what
butterscotch.
we're tasting, yeah.
Nice work, pal. When you see their reviews, I trust them. You got to go to their channel. They do food reviews. They do so much more. We're all crazy in their videos, all of their friends, but I like hearing their description because they really describe it. And then when I taste the stuff, when we go to places that they've reviewed, I'm like, they were on point. Okay, babe, tell people thank you for watching our video.
Thank you for watching our video. I just came up with that all by myself.
Nice work, Al.
Thank you guys for watching. We will see you in the next video. Make sure to check out all our friends of the channel. Where are you going to put their names?
Well, they'll be below, and I don't know.
All right.
I'll surprise you.
Okay, bye.
Nice work, pal.
Ah!